love it though. I love it though. You know? Put your hands to the constellations. The way you look should be a sin. You my sensation. I know I'm preaching to the congregation. We love Jesus, but you done learned a lot from Satan.
What's poppin' YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your boy JD coming at you with another review. Take those jackets off, things are heating up. It is Yeezy season. So we got the Yeezy 500 in this blush colorway to review. And after looking at these all day and wearing them, I will say that I believe this is the best Adidas Yeezy to come out. It used to be this one for me, the Yeezy V2 350s in the zebra colorway. But I would basically put these two together. I was looking at these for about 20 minutes to decide, and I decided, yeah, this is definitely the best Yeezy, Adidas Yeezy to drop so far. Now this was a fairly easy cop. I was able to win a raffle at Sneakers and stuff. My girlfriend also won a raffle for this shoe, and just from talking to some of the employees there was basically tons and tons of stock of this shoe, almost the same level as the Power Phases. So definitely shout out to Yeezy, because he did say that one day there will be Yeezys for everyone, and he's kept true to that promise, and I'm very happy that I was able to cop this pair. Now let's get into the shoes. So let's begin at the front. So at the front we got this suede front panel here, and I really like this suede because it's very it feels very high quality, and the suede also kind of has this unfinished look to it. It's like a very coarse suede, so it kind of gives it that designer edge that I like. So around the shoe we have these mesh panels. You can see it covers basically the lateral and medial side, also the back of the shoe. I mean, just looking at the design of the shoe, Kanye always wanted people to take him seriously as a fashion designer, and you can definitely tell how far Kanye has come with this design, because this doesn't look like an everyday shoe. This is definitely a designer shoe. This shoe also has hits of leather all over it, so especially here on the medial side, I just wanted to say that this leather feels really buttery, really nice. Adidas definitely knocked it out of the park with the quality on this shoe, that's for sure. Taking a look at the outsole, I mean, just look at that outsole. That's so unique looking. It looks really dope to me. We also have at the bottom here it says non-marking. Now I think a lot of people think that means that there's no branding on the shoe, but actually what this means is the shoes are not gonna leave a mark on the floor. So they were designed to basically not leave any scratches on the floor. That's what the non-marking means. Now the colorway is called blush, so I kind of was expecting maybe like a lightish pink color, but it's not like that at all. It's more of a off-white, almost like a light beige color. And on this silhouette, this colorway looks fantastic. You can wear this with pretty much anything, and it's perfect for the summer if you want that nice high fashion look. Now comfort wise, this shoe does not have any boost, so a lot of people were asking, is this shoe really worth $200? In my opinion, hell yes, just because of the quality of the shoe. And also the shoe does come with an Ortholite insole, and I think this makes the shoe quite comfortable. I did walk around in these, and these feel very comfortable in my opinion. Of course it's not boost, but it's comfortable, and don't act like you're buying Yeezys for comfort. Sizing wise, I got these in a true to size. They fit me perfectly. Stick with your true size. Now this design is definitely not for everyone. It is a very chunky shoe, and especially on feet, these look very, very chunky. But I personally love when brands innovate and come up with new silhouettes. I wasn't a big fan of this whole dad shoe movement, but now I'm definitely in the dad shoe camp. I'm a big fan of this sneaker. Overall, Kanye absolutely killed it with the design. Adidas killed it with the quality. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hit that like button if you like the video, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Appreciate all the support and all the feedback. On feed coming right now. Peace.